Ever feel like some of your data just disappears in Acumatica?
Yeah,
Particularly when you've got custom integrations like WooCommerce?
absolutely.
It can be a real headache making sure everything's talking to each other right.
It's
Like, are my custom tables actually reliable?
yeah, and without good data, you can't make good decisions.
Right. And that's what we're diving into today.
Yeah.
We're talking about the work of Mohammed Kalimra.
Right?
He's a software engineer
Yeah.
with like a year and a
We've been
half
for a year and a half.
of experience in Acumatica development, specifically focused on customizations and integration.
Right, really tailoring those systems.
Yeah, making Acumatica work the way businesses need it to.
Yeah, and he's done some really interesting work on enhancing the platform.
Yeah, and today we're zeroing in on his approach to data mapping and how to make sure the data in your custom tables is rock solid.
It's crucial.
Yeah, so let's get into it.
Okay.
So what was the problem that one of Kalim's clients was facing?
So they were heavily reliant on custom tables in Acumatica,
Okay.
especially because they had this WooCommerce system integrated.
So their e-commerce platform was tied in.
Yeah, and they needed to be absolutely sure that the data in those custom tables was accurate.
Makes sense. You don't want your e-commerce and your ERP out of sync.
No, you need that consistency.
So what were the actual issues they were running into because of this?
Well, for one, some of their custom tables and the fields inside them weren't properly mapped
Map to what?
to Acumatica's data access classes, or
Yes.
DACs.
Oh, DAX. Okay.
You can think of a DAC as the bridge between Acumatica's core functions,
Okay.
things like reporting data validation and security,
Got it.
and the data stored in your database tables.
Like it's how Acumatica actually understands and uses that custom data.
Exactly. Without that link, Acumatica can't really work with it reliably.
So it's like a language barrier.
Yeah, you could say that.
Acumatica needs everything to be speaking the same language.
Yeah.
And so because of this missing mapping, the client couldn't get accurate reports,
Right. They were missing pieces of the puzzle.
especially information from those custom tables.
Right. Especially data related to their WooCommerce operations.
So it was making it really hard to see the full picture of their business.
Yeah, it was hindering their decision making.
So how did they even realize this was happening?
Well, customers started reporting inconsistencies,
Okay.
missing information in reports that should have included that custom data.
So the problems were pretty obvious.
It was impacting their day-to-day operations.
Right.
And then their own technical team started digging deeper.
Okay.
And they found that these tables were missing that DAC mapping.
Ah, so it was like a red flag.
Yeah, a big one,
Data accessibility was at risk,
Yeah.
especially with all the transactions coming from WooCommerce.
especially for them.
They needed that customer data to be accurate and visible.
They wanted it accessible across different parts of Acumatica.
Yeah, so basically they needed to fix this deity mapping issue. So what did Kalim and his team actually do to solve it?
They took a very systematic approach.
Okay.
First, they went through all the custom tables and fields.
Thorough audit.
Yeah, they identified all the ones missing data assignments.
Okay.
Then they carefully mapped each database column in those tables.
To the correct field in the deity?
Right, so that Acumatica could understand and manage the data properly.
And was that all?
No, they went a step further.
Okay.
They added audit fields to the days.
Audit fields?
Yeah, these fields track who created or modified a record and when.
Oh, smart. So it's like a history log
Exactly. It provides a complete audit trail.
for compliance and everything.
Yeah, and for peace of mind.
Right.
And finally, they did rigorous testing.
To make sure everything worked?
Yeah, they accessed and updated records in the custom tables.
Testing it out in the real world.
Yeah, making sure the data integrity was maintained across transactions.
So what was the outcome of all this?
Well, the client got a really robust data access framework. They had full data traceability with those audit fields.
Right.
And most importantly, the reports were accurate.
They could finally trust their data.
Yeah, the data in those custom tables was accessible and reliable.
So they finally had consistent data access and reliable reporting.
Yeah, exactly what they needed.
Their Acumatica system was truly integrated.
Yeah, and they could make informed decisions based on that data.
So this whole DDC mapping thing,
Yeah.
it's really the foundation of a healthy Acumatica system.
Especially with custom integrations,
It makes sure everything works together seamlessly,
and that your data is a valuable asset.
not a source of headaches.
Exactly.
So if anyone listening is dealing with data integrity issues,
Yeah, if you're seeing inconsistencies or struggling with custom integrations,
reach out to Tiana.
they can help.
They can help you get your Acumatica system in top shape.
Absolutely.
Make sure your data is working for you, not against you.
Yeah, it's all about getting the most out of your Acumatica investment.
Thanks for listening to The Deep Dive.
Thanks for having me.